this is a... Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so... Here we fucking go. Rawr. Extreme noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your both from across the floor. Noses your nicky, wakey, till day by till day, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stop me. See me like my little baby tail off for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Oh my god. Guys, I did it. I just beat it.
Nice.
Yay.
It took so
Congrats.
long.